Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let us take grammar work. Direct and indirect speech. When the exact words used by a speaker are reproduced within quotes or quote, unquote, it is called direct speech. Please avoid saying inverted commas begin and inverted commas close. The first example which is given here, the teacher said to me, you are a good boy. Yath ch z part. You see, first part ch athis na reporting verb. You see, second part ch, which is in inverted commas, that is called a reported speech. The exact words of the speaker which are put within quotes, quote go is kath maj kirit commas maz, is called reported speech. Who says and to whom? The verb that introduces reported speech is called a reporting verb. This verb introduced kara reported speech is that is reporting verb. So go iki first. Basic rule. Rule first. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged, though pronouns change. The examples, some examples are given. Dear students below. Examples dit, misal dit. Misal. The principal says the English teacher will teach narration on Monday. Dear students, reporting verbs maz go godnuk yat maz as gomut use present simple ge first form says nya as gomut use future will see til chun europe is verb yat maz reported speech maz so gets change ki agar is will nimunit will chis karan change would maz magar is karon would maz change ki kaz yor gomut use says agar gomut use ya will see the principal says kis karit yatnas bankain the principal says that English teacher will teach narration on Monday. Second example, Ravi will say I like films. Ek is yatmas gomut use will say yatmas reporting verbs maz is york verb chu it gets change ki is lekho Ravi will say I like films. I kush yatnas I ch Ravi wana Ravi film which imsin wal lekho yat karos that use godet Ravi will say that he pat lekho yatnas he likes films liked lekho na ki likes lekho तो यम कामा छ यम छस करन सारी रिमूव चाहे मिनट कामाइजेशन या ई कामा. Third one, Sanna says her father is at the office. Sanna is wana three missions mutlik three missions kaat karan yatnas tim sun mool asa shu office man. Sanna says that her father is at the office. Rule second. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense in the reported speech are changed into corresponding past tense. Simple present is changed into past simple. This is good example. Agar say atmazas said gomut use. This your wushun chess cut tenses man. Agar say present simple use first form was gomut use second form. Agar present continuous was gomut use is am or plus ing form. So guess was and were plus ing form. Agar yatmaz was gomut use has and have plus third form. So guess had plus third form. Agar yatmaz has been ya have been gomut use plus ing form. So guess had been plus ing form. Yet example that Anu said she studies late in the night. Anu shvana is third person sans kath kara. Third person go yatnas gumut use he, she, it. Tam ya they as gumut use. Chahe third person singular ya plural as gumut use. Tam chan change gasan ke so shima wapas thi lekhna. Yet lekho is wapas Anu said that she. Magar we can cover verb change. Kya is karon change? Your past mas. Your said is lekho nimi studied second form that she studied late in the night. Pachbyak. Anleep said Skuni works very hard. Anleep said that itchi third person mutlik karankat magar itchi navan kurmutim use. Sukuni works very hard. Anleep said that Sukuni works karo change worked very hard. However, if the reported speech conveys some universal truth or habitual fact, the simple present tense in the reported speech remains unchanged. Agar mun yat mazaj gomut use reported speeches mazaj gomut use universal truth nataj gomut use kya habitual fact. The tilchun verb change gasa ki अकिस एग्जाम्पल अख दिसम द टीचर सेड द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट टीचर वोन आफ्ताब हसा खसान ईस्ट कन यह हमेश यह रोज हमेश खसवन तवे गि अत वर्ब चेंज कह द टीचर सेड दैट द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट पत ब्या एग्जाम्पल रमा सेड आई गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग यह गो हैबिचुअल फैक्ट गो यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ रमा सेड दैट ही गेट्स अप अर्ली इन द he gets up early in the morning गो यथ मज गो न चेंज वर्ब कह पत यथ मज कह एग्जाम्पल्स दित चेंज द नरेशन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गो यम एक्सरसाइज दित यम तुम पाने कर यतनस गोडनुक सेंटेंस द टीचर सेज राहुल विल पास टीचर करान कस मुतलिक कत राहुलस मुतलिक गो यह थर्ड पर्सनस मुतलिक करान कत द टीचर सेज दैट इस लिखो राहुल विल पास यह विल करोन चेंज क्या करोन चेंज योर सेज गुम यूज द सर्वेंट विल से डिनर इज नॉट रेडी इस लिखो द सर्वेंट विल say that dinner is not ready yet must करोन is change yours will say gumut use Mona says Sana will do her work on Tuesday Mona says that Sana will ti करोन change क्या लिखो will that Sana will do her work on Tuesday Sabah said I will join the college Sabah said ये said गुमुत यूज वगैरह she will change वुडस मज पत लिखो that ये Sabah कुछ यतनस या लिखो यतनस she that she would join the college Rama says I will study at the university Rama says that he will get change can study at the university Bashir said I will take up the science subject Bashir said that he would take up will करोन change वुडस मज take up the science subject Kiran says I will take up arts subject Kiran says that he will take up arts subject Raja will say I cannot study mathematics Raja will say that she cannot study mathematics Sahana will say my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan Sahana will say her favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan Rajni will say I want to become a painter Rajni will say that she wants to become a painter अगर ये लड़की आए तेल लिखो she अगर ये लड़का आए तेल लिखो he either you have to write he or she it depends upon the noun thank you